Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need the app and a compatible Windows laptop. Start now. Purchase and install Wallpaper Engine, then open it. Once done, grant GPU access when prompted and set performance mode to balanced. Make sure your display resolution and refresh rate are correct in Windows display settings. While the app downloads default packs, pick a simple animated wallpaper to test. This gets the core pipeline running, so you can proceed to customize without wasting time on extra settings. Now customize the wallpaper type and behavior. Select a video or web-based scene. You can also import MP4 or HTML5 projects. Once chosen, adjust FPS cap and enable pause on battery to save power. This explains why battery settings matter. Assign the wallpaper to a single monitor or span across displays and set audio pass-through if needed. Make sure to test with full-screen apps to confirm correct pause behavior and performance without stuttering. Finish by saving your profile and enabling Start with Windows so the live wallpaper loads automatically. Test locking the screen and opening games to confirm it pauses correctly. If you need to reclaim resources, lower the wallpaper FPS or set it to pause on battery. If playback is choppy, update GPU drivers, switch the app's render backend between DirectX and OpenGL, or reduce resolution. One key troubleshooting tip: restarting the Wallpaper Engine service often clears permission or GPU allocation glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.